Right now, I'm going to talk about biological molecules. There are four things in life that make up every living thing. It doesn't matter if you're big, or small, or domestic, or if you're a wild animal. We are going to talk about carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. A long time ago, there was a famous scientist. He was called William Prout. He studied human pee. He discovered that our stomach contains hydrochloric acids, and he also discovered the composition of pure urea. He concluded that all food could be separated into three different categories. I'm going to talk about them right now. Let's begin with the carbohydrates. Almost everything contains carbohydrates, jam for example, but also sweets and pie contain carbohydrates. They are made up of sugars. The simplest are monosaccharides. This one is glucose. It is captured from the sun by photosynthesis. If two monosaccharides join together, a disaccharide will form. When many monosaccharides join together, then we speak of thousands of monosaccharides, a polysaccharide will form, like cellulose. We can't digest cellulose, but animals like cows can. Secondly, I'm going to talk about lipids. They are simpler than carbohydrates. Lipids also cannot dissolve in water, because they are mostly non-polar. You have saturated and unsaturated fats. In saturated fats, every carbon atom combines with two hydrogen atoms when connected with single bonds, and in unsaturated fats, some carbon atoms are connected with each other by double bonds. Phospholipids make up the cell membrane wall. Their head is polar and is attracted to water, but the legs are non-polar and hate water, and so they avoid it. We also have steroids. The base is made up of four carbon rings. Many combinations can be made with them. Cholesterol is one of the most common steroids, and they can be turned into lipid hormones. Now I'm going to talk about proteins. There are many different proteins like enzymes, antibodies, and protein hormones. Proteins do all the stuff by using amino acids. There are 20 different kinds of amino acids. When amino acids join together, they form polypeptides. Proteins are formed by polypeptides. You need all of the amino acids before protein synthesis is possible, and there are 9 of them we can't make ourselves. They are threonine, tryptophan, valine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, histidine, isoleucine, and leucine.